So I want to do a quick overview on some speed binders. I just recently started using this product. I can say that my first impressions with the company itself have not been so great. Long story short, they screwed up with my shipping. It took darn near 4 or 5 months for them to actually get all of my product to me. So right off the bat I wasn't too happy with that. I've only carried a load with these a couple times. I did have some loosening up on the chains after transporting for a little while. Not sure if it's just because they're new, but you know, I had everything nice and tight front and rear and didn't see anything move. So I'll just show you how I set up my chains and how the speed binders work. So to start off, got the speed binders opened up. Grab my chain, bring it through the bottom U-loop. And then hook it to the mounts. So I got all the slack taken out of the middle. I'll set the speed binder with the gear up at the top. Get out as much chain material as I can and go ahead and tighten it down. Alright, you can see now that we are now nice and tight. So that's what I like about the speed binders. They are pretty quick and convenient to set up. Like I said, I've only used them a couple times now, so why they're loosening up I can't say for sure, but that's been my personal experience. And like I said, dealing with their customer service has been a nightmare in and of itself. But wanted to give it a fair review because I like the design idea on it. It's definitely a lot faster and more convenient than a standard screw style binder. If you have any questions or any other videos you want me to go ahead and do, feel free to comment, let me know, and I will go from there. Thank you.